Welcome to the Aquaflame experience. In this video, we'll show you how to set up, maintain, and winterize your water and fire table to ensure years of enjoyment. To get started, use a standard garden hose to fill the water basin. Important: only fill the basin until it is half full. Do not overfill, as this ensures proper pump operation and prevents splashing. For routine cleaning or water changes, open the filter panel and insert the siphon hose to drain the basin completely. If you live in an area where temperatures drop below freezing, winterization is required. Use a wrench to disconnect the hose and drain all remaining water from the lines and the water pump. This prevents ice damage and keeps your system protected until spring. If your fire shuts down unintentionally, it may be due to soot buildup. Simply open the thermocouple bracket and gently clean the sensor. Once the soot is removed, secure the bracket back into place, and your flame should remain steady. With just a little care, your Aquaflame will be the centerpiece of your outdoor space. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the perfect blend of fire and water. Aquaflame by Prokan, your backyard. Their jealousy.